See children, now here one problem under the section C, one problem. This table shows the number of newspapers collected by students of classes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to denote to the animal shelter over the month of December. So one tabular form is there. In this tabular form, what are the noted items you see? Classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 classes. First week collection, class wise. Second week collection, class wise. Third week collection, class wise. And fourth week collection, okay, class wise newspapers collection is given. Total collection you have to find. And the average weekly collection. See children here, first class students. How many newspapers they collected in the first week of December? 40. Second week they collected 59 newspapers. Third week they collected 85 newspapers. In the fourth week they collected 72 newspapers. So in all the 4 weeks, total number of newspapers collected by the first class student, total collection, first class total collection, add all these numbers and write. Second class total collection means add these 4 numbers and write here. Third class total collection, fourth class total collection, fifth class total collection. Add and write. So here 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. Okay, 16 plus 8, 24. 4, 2 is there. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. This is the total collection of first class students in all the 4 weeks. Now average weekly collection of the first class students. How can you find the average here? You divide the total collection with 4. So according to the average statement, what is the definition here? Average is equal to sum of the quantities by number of quantities. That's why you divide 264 with 4. Then you will get the average weekly collection of the first class students. Okay children. So here 264 is to be divided by 4. How much? 4 6 are 24. 2 remainder 24. 4 6 are 24. 66 times. How much? 66 times. Now see children, come to the class 2. Second class children, they collected newspapers. Weekly collection, observe. First week 81, second week 73, third week 98, fourth week 100. Total collection. In all the 4 weeks, total collection. Add. First of all, units places. 0 plus 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 2 right here. 1 is there. Okay. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Okay. 17 plus 8, 25. Okay. 5 right here, 2 is there now. 2 plus 1, 3. 352. This is the total collection of second class students in all the 4 weeks. So now to find the average collection, divide this 352 with 4. How much? 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 3 remainder. Now side 2 is the 32. 4 8s are 88. How much? 88. That is the average collection of the second class students. Now come to third class. Third class students, first week collection, second week collection, third week collection, fourth week collection. Average, you have to find. First of all, total collection of third class. Total collection of the newspapers. Third class, total collection. Add 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 2, 1 is there, no? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 212 total collection. Now average calculate. To find average, divide the total with 4. 4 weeks. So divide with 4. 212 divided by 4. Now after the division, 4 5s are 20. 1 remainder 12. 4 3s are 53. Okay, children, see. Now come to class 4. Class 4. Total collection of the newspapers from class 4. Total collection. How can you find total collection? Suppose you class 4 you take here. Total collection class 4 total collection is equal to, by adding the 4 numbers, we get the total collection of 4th class. So add 90 plus 85 plus 110 plus 99. See children, one time. First week 90, second week 85, third week 110, fourth week 90. Now add. Okay. Here 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 5 14, 4, 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 8 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 9 28. 8. 2 is there, no? 2 plus 1 3, 384. Once again see, first of all add the units digits. What are the units digits? 9, 0, 5, 0. So 9 plus 5, 14. 4, 1 is there. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 8. 2 is there now. Now 2 and this 100 plus this. 2 plus 1 is 384 is the total collection. Now average. Average of class 4. Average of class 4. Average means we divide the total with the 4. Why? Because 4 weeks, no? 4 weeks average. 4 weeks average is what we, how can we calculate that? We divide the total 384 by 4. The 384 represents what? Total collection. Total collection divided by number of weeks. Number of weeks. So 384 by 4, that is equal to divide. How many times here? 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. 2 remainder. 24. 24 by 4. 24. In 4 divides 24 how many times? 6 times. 96. Okay. So like this, to each and every class, okay, in the rough margin, do calculation and write the number in the table given. The table given. Like this, to all these classes, we have to show this work in a margin or under the table. Under the table also, we can show it. And after calculation, that number you copy in the given tabular form. Okay. Just for example, I showed here to class 4, I showed. Okay, children, you got an idea? Now, so here what we write here? Total collection 384. 384. Here what to 384 divided by 4. That is equal to, after division you got 9. Now come to class 5. Class 5 total collection. Class 5 total collection. 138 plus 120 plus 161 plus 190. Add 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18. 1 is there now, that 1 is to be carried to the tens place. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12. 2, 1 is there, that 1 to be carried to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. 528 total correction. Okay, by class 5. Now, average correction. Average. Okay, average is equal to total by number of weeks. That is equal to 528 by 4. Divide. Okay. Here 4 ones are 4, 1 remainder 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8. 132. 132. This is class 5 average. So write here. In the tabular form, now we can fill up. Okay. To all these classes, you show this one. And the details you got, you mentioned in the table. Here, in a short form, we showed the calculation here. To each and every class, total collection is showed. Okay, sometimes your teacher may ask, how you got this total collection means? You have to tell all these 4 weeks collection added. Then 264. 264 is divided by 4. Like that. So 130. So here total collection you write 528. And here you show average 528 divided by 4. Okay, children. Then 130. You got an idea? Like this, we fill the table. Now, under the table, there are some questions. Under the table, there are some more questions. To write the answers to the given questions, we have to observe the table work very carefully. And from the table, you can give the answer to the given questions. Okay, children, what is the first question? I will write here. See, what is the first question? What is the first question, children? See in your textbook, all of you, what is the first question? Find the total collection of each class. Then find their average collection. So the first one, see the table and say the answer. Say the answer. That means, what is the question? What is the total collection of each class? Tell total collection of each class. First class, total collection how much? 264. Class 1. Class 1 how much? 264. That is total collection. Class 1 total collection. Now, and average. Average means you divided here 264 is divided by 4. How much you got? 66. So average 66. Like that. Class 2 now. This is what the total collection. Total collection. That is average. Class 2 total collection. See the table. Class 2 total collection how much? 350. Right, 350. Average. How much? 88. From the table. 88. Now, class 3 total collection how much? Class 3 total collection is equal to 12. What is the average? Class 3 average here last 53. Next to class 4 total collection class 4 384. Average. What is the average? 96. Class 5 total collection 528. Average 130. Okay. Total collection average. Okay na? Okay, children. Now, come to the second question. Come to the second question. What is the second question here? Question number 2. Which class has the highest average? Which class has the highest average? Which class has the highest average? You see, these are all the averages of averages. These are all the averages. See the last part. First class, second class, third class, fourth class. Which class has the highest average? Which is greater than all this? 132. 132 is 132 is greater. So class 5. What is the answer here? Class 5. Next one. See the next question. Third question. What is the third question? Which class has the lowest average? Which class at the lowest average? Which class has the lowest? First this question. What is the lowest? Lowest means what here? Least, smallest. What is the lowest, Susan? What is the lowest one here? What is the small number in all these averages? 53. That means 53. Which class here? 53. You see like this. Class 3. Class 3 has the lowest average. So here you write class 3. Okay. That is the third question. Now, fourth question. What is the fourth question? Find the average of all the 5 classes. The average of all the 5 classes. Average of all the 5 classes. How can you find here? You divide C. Average is equal to, what do we say, sum of the quantities by number of quantities. How many classes? 5 classes. So, sum of the averages of the 5 classes, sum of the averages of all the 5 classes divided by number of classes, how many? 5 classes divided by 5. So, here we write sum of the averages of all the 5 classes divided by number of classes. That means add all these 5 numbers. Add all these 5 numbers. That means here 66 plus 88 plus 53 plus 96 plus 130 divided by number of classes, so many? 5. That is equal to, add all these numbers. Add 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 6, how much? 25. Write 5 here, 2 is there, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 6, 33. 3 right here, 3 is there. 3 plus 1, 4. 435 divided by 5. Now divide. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are divided with 5 table. 5 eights are 40. 3 remain 35. 5 sevens are 35. 87. That is the average of all the 5 classes. Children, now here one problem is there. Sahil, Akshat, Shiva and Anshu got an average of 95 points in a spelling competition. What was the total score? That is the problem. In this problem, how many persons are there? 4 persons. Okay, 4 students. Sahil, Akshat, Shiva and Anshu. 4 students. So number of students 4. Number of students is equal to 4. What is the average of the 4 students? 95 points. They got an average of 95 points in a spelling competition. So here, their average, their average how much here? 95. 95 the average. What was the total score? What is the total score? Here what is given? Average given and number of students given. He asked for the total. So here, what is the formula here? Average is equal to sum of the quantities by number of quantities. From the main statement, sum of the quantities is equal to, here we write, sum of the quantities is equal to average into number of quantities. Average into number of quantities. Okay, children. Main formula, what is the main formula here? Average is equal to sum of the quantities by number of quantities. He asked a sum here. Sum of the quantities is equal to average into number of quantities. So here, how can you find the total score of the 4 students? So you write here, total score of the 4 persons or students, 4 students is equal to average into number of quantities. Average, what is the average here? 95. Number of quantities, that means here number of students. How many students? 4 students. So here into 4. Multiply. 95 into 4. 95 into 4. 4 5s are 20. So here 0, right? 2 is keep in mind. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 380. That is the total score of the 4 students. Okay, children. Now come to this another question. What is the another question? A traveling salesman traveled 80 kilometers, 54 kilometers, 86 kilometers, 41 kilometers and 64 kilometers. In the first 5 days of a week. What was the average distance traveled by him? He asked the average in this problem. What is given? Distance traveled by a salesman in the first day, how many kilometers distance he traveled? In the second day, how many? In the third day, how many? In the fourth day, how many kilometers? In the fifth day, how many kilometers distance he traveled? Okay, that is here. So, here what we write here, first of all, distances traveled by salesman. Distances traveled by salesman in the first 5 days. In the first 5 days. Now write the distances traveled with commas. 80 comma. Okay, 80 kilometers comma. 54. 86. 41 and 64 kilometers. 5 days. First day, second day, third day, fourth day. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. So, these are the distances traveled by the salesman in the first 5 days. Now, total distance calculate. A total distance we calculate. Why? Because in the formula, sum by sum of the, okay, total distance traveled by number of days. That's why. Find the total distance. Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled in the 5 days. In the 5 days. Add 80 plus 54 plus 86 plus 41 plus 64. Add. Now add the units digits. 4 plus 1 here 5. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 4 15. 5. 1 is there, no? 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 8 19. 19 plus 5 24. 24 plus 8 30. 325 kilometers. 325 kilometers distance. First 5 days total distance. This is the total distance traveled by that salesman in the 5 days. Now average. He asked the average distance traveled. Average distance traveled by salesman. By salesman is equal to, what is the formula? Total distance by total distance traveled by total distance traveled by number of days. Number of days. Okay, children. That is equal to, what is the total distance here? 325 by number of days 5. So do the division one. Okay, here 5 in 32, 6 times 2. 5 6 are 30. 2 is there, side 5 25, 5 is 65 kilometers. 65 kilometers. That is the average distance traveled by the salesman.